Today I will be doing an unboxing review on these, the Ollie Truly Wireless Earbuds by Cleer. Now, to be honest, I don't have much experience with other truly wireless earbuds like these. I'm more familiar with Odium and Anker. But I'll try to give as accurate a review as possible by comparing what I noticed with what some other reviews say. Well then, let's see what these earbuds can do. Starting out with cost, these earbuds are about $150 at retail price, but there are frequent sales on Amazon and other similar sites for about $100, which brings the cost down to the cheaper side when in the market for truly wireless earbuds. Now, examining the box, this side here tells what all is included. There's extra silicone ear tips, there's a micro USB cable, a carrying pouch, and an instruction manual. But right off the bat, I'm kind of disappointed they give us a micro USB cable, which resembles something like this, with the little hooks on the bottom. Rather, I wish they had given us a USB-C, which in the last few years has gotten a lot more popular because of its improved functionality and the main fact that unlike the micro USB cable, which has to be plugged in one specific way and can't be flipped around and plugged in the other, the USB-C can. So it's very much improved on that main aspect. But I digress. The back provides some impressive information. The earbuds use Bluetooth 5.0, which is the latest version of Bluetooth at the time of this video, and the main improvement it makes over previous versions is reduced energy consumption. Therefore, it plays a major role in the battery life, which is boasted to be up to 10 hours. And the carrying case is said to provide 2 more complete charges. That totals up to be 30 hours of listening time before a recharge is required. Moving on, the earbuds are water resistant and sweat proof, which is common among every other brand of earbuds as far as I know, but nonetheless important if you live an active lifestyle. Lastly, the neodymium drivers are said to provide a highly vivid and flexible sound, which means the earbuds should clearly play a wide vocal or instrumental range. Well then, let's open this tech up. The case is magnetic, so it easily opens and closes along the side here. And this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, the earbuds are in their charging case behind this protective plastic. And the charging case and the earbuds easily removed. They're also covered in a nice layer of plastic to prevent any scratches. And then I'm guessing the other contents are underneath this. If it'll come out. Come on. There it goes. And each of the extra earpieces are in their own little nice slots. There's the carrying case right here, which is a nice soft material. And it looks like they put the micro USB inside. Here it is. So it's a gray color. And the nice instruction manual. Well, I guess I'll read it and then come back to you guys. Now they're all charged up and ready to go. They took just under 2 hours to fully charge, and a really cool feature is that they have a rapid initial charging boost. So say they die on you, then all you have to wait is about 5 minutes and you'll have a full hour's worth of charge before needing to find an outlet. Already, my favorite thing about these earbuds is their battery life. It's phenomenal. If you're enjoying this review so far, please subscribe and destroy that like button. The opening for the charging case is magnetic, which is nice, so it makes opening and closing it really easy. And the charging stations themselves inside are magnetic, so you don't have to worry about the earbuds falling out if it accidentally flips over or something of that same sort. And in my opinion, a really cool feature in addition to that is they don't have an on and off button, which might be a pain to some, but for me I like them because you just remove it, the blue light here turns on, and then they've instantly synced to your phone and you're able to listen to music, just like that. Trying them on, the earpieces already fit me from the get-go. However, it's still nice to know you have the option to switch between the wing and regular style tips depending on what you find preferable. Now on to functionality. Both earbuds have the exact same controls, which I find useful in case you're just using one at a time. However, I do know some people who find this disappointing, primarily because of the main con of these earbuds. The fact that you can't change the volume or scroll through your song library using the earbuds themselves. You have to use a phone. Yeah. However, the good news is that I heard they fixed this inability in the new Ollie Plus earbuds. Yeah, they say hindsight's 20/20. Besides the earbuds' volume issue though, I must say that their noise cancelling feature works pretty well. Especially if you have annoying siblings around. However, comparing them to some of the over-ear noise cancelling headphones I've tried on, they don't stand a chance. But again, for earbuds, they're pretty good. Additionally, the mics that pick up voice commands and are used for calls work really well. Siri, what time is it?
It's 4:15 p.m.
If you are finding this review helpful, it would mean the world to me if you press the like button and subscribe. And now for the final part of this review, which is probably also the most important, sound. Now, I'm sure other reviews go into far greater detail than I will, but let me just tell you that these have impressive sound quality. And with the noise cancelling feature, it feels like you're really immersed in the music. It's phenomenal. Besides a slight static sound that I hear whenever my music's paused, when the music's going, it's amazing the bass notes it detects and the range it picks up. For truly wireless earbuds, these are truly some of the best I've seen for clarity and range. Well, the jury has reached a verdict. For $150 or $100 if you happen to come across a deal, you get some pretty amazing earbuds by Cleer. However, like everything, there's pros and cons to them. The inability to change the volume and skip songs can be a deal breaker for some. Luckily, however, Cleer fixed this problem with their Ollie Plus earbuds. Although, if you're looking for some relatively cheap, truly wireless earbuds compared to Apple's AirPods, then these are quite possibly the ones for you. Not only do they possess unmatched battery life with their charging case, but their sound quality for wireless earbuds is also top notch. Unless I happen to buy the Ollie Plus earbuds anytime soon, I know which earbuds I'll be wearing from here on out. The Ollie Truly Wireless Earbuds by Cleer. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and are interested in seeing more views on products and lifestyle choices, please subscribe to see more content and smash that like button like you're pounding a gavel. Court adjourned.